In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply color filters or tint to your display. Alright, let's jump right in. I'm starting on the home screen here, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Settings app on my iPhone. Once Settings is open, I'm going to scroll down a bit until I see Battery, and I'll tap right into that. Now that I'm inside the battery section, I'm going to look for auto brightness and tap on it. Depending on your device, you might need to scroll just a little to find it, but once you see auto brightness, go ahead and open that up. From here, I'm going to scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the screen. Take your time here because the option we're looking for is a little lower down. Once you reach the bottom, you'll see something called color filters. Go ahead and tap on color filters to open it. Now I'm inside the color filters menu. At the very top, you'll see a toggle for color filters. Right now, it's probably turned off. I'm going to tap that toggle to turn color filters on. As soon as I do that, you might notice your screen change slightly depending on which filter is selected by default. Once color filters are enabled, you'll see a list of different color filter options below. This is where you can customize how your display looks. You can tap through each filter one by one to preview how it affects your screen. As you tap on each option, the display updates instantly, so you can see the difference right away. You might notice some filters make colors look warmer, some make them cooler, and others reduce certain color tones entirely. This can be really helpful if you're trying to reduce eye strain, improve readability, or if you just prefer a certain look on your screen. There's no rush here, so feel free to tap through the options and see which one feels the most comfortable for you. Once you find a color filter you like, you don't need to do anything else. Just leaving it selected automatically applies it across your entire iPhone. Everything from your home screen to apps, menus, and text will now use that color filter. If at any point you feel like the filter is too strong or you just want to go back to the normal display, you can simply tap the color filters toggle at the top to turn it off. The screen will instantly return to its original colors. You can also switch between filters anytime, so nothing here is permanent. At this point, you can back out of settings and continue using your phone as normal. The color filter stays active in the background, so you don't have to keep the settings app open for it to work. This is a great feature to experiment with, especially if you spend a lot of time on your phone or want a display that's easier on your eyes. Try using your phone for a few minutes with a filter on and see how it feels during normal use, like scrolling, reading, or watching videos. And that's it. You've now learned how to apply color filters or a tint to your iPhone display, and you can adjust or disable it anytime to match what feels best for you.